Good morning, students. Continuation of the chapter Determinant. Chapter heading Determinant. The previous class I explained the properties of determinants. Now, today we are going to do some problems based on the properties. Write the first question. 1. First one is without expanding, prove that the determinant x plus a, y plus b, z plus c equal to 0. You know how to expand the determinant, isn't it? X into its minor minus a into its minor plus x plus a into its minus. Expanding along the first row. Now here the heading is without expanding prove that the value is 0. All of you look here. In this determinant, how many rows are there? 3 rows. And how many columns? 3 columns. This x, y, z, this, look at the board. This x, y, z is the first column and we can denote it as Z1. And the second ABC, we can write it as C2. And the third one is the sum of 2 terms, we name it as C3. 3 columns. And how many rows? Look here. The horizontal lines are known as rows. X plus A, that is the first row, second row and third row. Understand? This is a 3 by 3 determinant. Now, look at the first 2 columns, X, Y, Z and A, B, C. I am going to do this step. C1 changes to, the first column changes to C1 plus C2. I am adding the first 2 columns. Therefore, what I wrote here? C1, the first column changes to C1 plus C2. Now, determinant. C1 plus C2 means, look at the board, x plus C1 changes to x plus a, y plus b, z plus c, and C2 no change, a, b, c, and C3 also no change, x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. Now, can you say the first property of the determinant? Read the first property. If any 2 rows or columns are identical or same, then the value of the determinant is 0. Look here. Here the first column is x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. And the last column C3 is also x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. That means C1 equal to C3. 2 rows are identical. Therefore, automatically the value of the determinant is 0. Within bracket, write 2 rows are identical. Property 1 is value of the determinant is 0. Understand? Okay. Write the next question. Without expanding. 7, 14, 21, 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10 equal to 0. 7, 14, 21, 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10 equal to 0. To prove that. Without expanding. That's the important point. The third property says, if there is any common factor or any common number, you can take the common factor outside. 7, 14, 21. Which is the common factor? 7 is the common factor. When you take 7 from that CR1, right here, 7, then 1, 2, 3. The second row is also 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. Here, we can write R1 is equal to R2. R1 and R2 are same. If any two rows or any two columns are equal or same, identical, then the value is 0. Okay, write that question also. One more question. Write down the determinant x plus y, y plus z, z plus x, zxy, 1, 1, 1 equal to 0. Prove that the value of this determinant equal to 0. Look at the question. X plus y, y plus z, z plus x is R1, z, x, y is R2. R1 changes to, look here, R1 changes to R1 plus R2. What happened? R1 changes to, that means we change R1. How to? Adding R2 to R1. Look at the board. X plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, isn't it? R1 plus R2 means x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, okay, z, x, y, 1, 1, 1. Copy the answer. Now what is the result? What to do? What is the next step? Say the answer. In any row or in any column, if there is a common factor, you can take the common factor outside. X plus y plus z, x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z. What is common? Very good. X plus y plus z is common. Say the answer loudly. X plus y plus z common. 1, 1, 1. Z, x, y, 1, 1, 1. Look at the board. X plus y plus z we take outside. Therefore, the determinant changes to 1, 1, 1. Z, x, y, 1, 1, 1. Here, R1 is equal to R3. R1 is equal to R3. These two rows are equal. Therefore, x plus y plus z into 0 equal to 0. This without expanding problem is also important. For 1 mark or 2 mark question, without expanding, find the value of the determinant. Okay. Write down the next question. Prove that the determinant 1a square, 1b square, 1c square equal to a minus b minus c minus a. A minus b minus c and c minus a. Here, using the properties of determinant, show that the value of the determinant is a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. Now all of you listen very carefully. Look here. Here, the first column is 1, 1, 1. Isn't it? We can expand a determinant using the first row or using the first column or second row, second column, like that. Understand? 3 rows and 3 columns are there. You can take any row or any column to expand the determinant. The value remains the same in all the cases. Now here we take that C1. 1, 1, 1. I am going to change that R2. Can you say what is R2? R2 means this is 1BB square. 1BB square. I am going to do R2 changes to R2 minus R1. R2 changes to R2 minus R1. Same way, R3 changes to R3 minus R1. R2 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. Students, look here. No change in R1. Therefore, look at your notebook. 1a square is R1. Agree? 1a square. Then how can you write R2 changes to R2 minus R1? Look at the board. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. What is the answer? 0. Then look here. B minus A. B minus A. Then the third one, B square minus A square. Understand? R2 changes to R2 minus R1. We subtract R1 from R2. Then same way, what's the next step? R3 changes to R3 minus R1. Look here. What is R3? This is 1C, C square is R3. 1A, A square is R1. Subtract 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. Then C minus A. C square minus A square. Copy this line. R2 changes to and R1 changes to. R2 and R3 changes to. Now look here. I am now going to expand this question along the first column. What is the first column? This is the first column. 1 into its minor. What is 1 into its minor means? Deleting the row and the column which that particular element occur. We delete this and this. Therefore, the remaining is B minus A, B square minus A square, C minus A, C square minus A square. Okay. And then second one is minus 0 into its minor plus 0 into its minor. Therefore, the value becomes 0. Therefore, no need of writing. Here only 1 into its minor. Now, how many elements? Only 4 elements. Look at the first row. Is there any common factor in the first row? B minus A, B square minus A square. Yes, B minus A is common. Look at the second row. What is common? C minus A is also common. From the first row, B minus A is common. From the second row, C minus A is common. B minus A, when you take outside, you will get 1. When you take B minus A from B square minus A square, you know what is the remaining? B plus A. Here also 1 and C plus A. Okay. Now, expand this determinant. Right. B minus A into C minus A into, what's the answer? 1 into C plus A. What is 1 into C plus A? C plus A, AD minus 1 into B plus A means minus B minus A. Plus A minus A cancel. Therefore, the answer is B minus A, C minus A, C minus B. B minus A, C minus A, C minus B. Now, this is not the answer form. In the answer, not B minus A. What is that? A minus B. And the last one is C minus A is there, but the next one is Z minus B. Therefore, we interchange these two. When you take minus from this side, minus of A minus B, minus of B minus C. Therefore, the answer is A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Copy the answer. 2 minus are there. Therefore, minus into minus changes to plus. Okay, copy that. Right. Prove that the determinant 1, 1, 1, alpha, beta, gamma, gamma, alpha, alpha, beta. Look at the board and write the question. Equal to alpha minus beta, beta minus gamma, gamma minus alpha. Finished? Now listen. In the previous question, 1, 1, 1 is in the first column. Therefore, always our aim is to make the second one and third one 0. Then only the expansion will be easy. Therefore, here we make R2 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. But look here. Here these two ones change 0. Here this one is in the second column. Therefore, I am going to write C2 changes to C2 minus C1 and C3 changes to C3 minus C1. Okay. C2 changes to C2 minus C1 and C3 changes to C3 minus C1. Therefore, C1 no change. What is the answer? 1 alpha beta gamma. Look here. Oral calculation, look here. 1 minus 1. What is 1 minus 1? 0. What is beta minus alpha? Right, beta minus alpha. Then next one, gamma alpha minus gamma beta. Look at here. Look here. Gamma alpha minus gamma beta means gamma into alpha minus beta. Right. And in the third column, 1 minus 1 changes to 0. Gamma minus, look at the board, gamma minus alpha. Then alpha beta minus beta gamma. Alpha beta minus beta gamma. Which is common? Beta is common. Beta into alpha minus gamma. Beta into alpha minus gamma. Right. What's the next step? Here also we expand along the first row. 1 into its minor. Right. 1 into its minor means 1 into beta minus alpha, gamma minus alpha. Gamma into alpha minus beta, beta into alpha minus gamma. Now, this row is beta minus alpha, gamma minus alpha, no common factor. But look at the column wise. When you go through column wise, the first one is beta minus alpha, the second one is alpha minus beta. Therefore, we can take alpha minus beta outside. That is this minus 1 into gamma. Agree? Minus of alpha minus beta. Therefore, minus 1 in gamma. Next is gamma minus alpha is in the correct form. Gamma minus alpha. Therefore, we take gamma minus alpha outside 1 minus beta. Agree? Now, expand. That is equal to alpha minus beta into gamma minus alpha into minus 1 into minus beta, beta minus gamma. Look at the answer. Alpha minus beta into beta minus gamma into gamma minus alpha. Okay. Write that question. Then write one more question. Write the question. Prove that the determinant x plus 4, 2x, 2x. 2x, x plus 4, 2x. 2x, 2x, x plus 4. This determinant equal to 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x the whole square. 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x the whole square. Okay. Here take the LHS. Copy the LHS. Here no column or no row contain 1, 1, 1. If the row or column changes to 1, 1, 1, then the step will be easy to make the second one and third one 0, then expanding along the first row or first column. But look here. Here, x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4. Isn't it? And go through the answer. When you go through the answer, you can see 5x plus 4. In any way, can you find the answer here? 5x plus 4. 5x plus 4. One step is, you can write C1 changes to, what is C1? This first column changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. First you try. C1 changes to x plus 4 plus 2x plus 2x, 2x plus 2x, 4x, 4x plus x, 5x plus 4. Here also 2x, 2x, x, 5x plus 4, 2x, 2x, x, 5x plus 4. That is C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Here when you take R1 also, you will get 2x, 2x, x, 5x plus 4. Anyway, you can apply R1 changes to R1 plus R2 plus R3, or C1 changes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Both are same. Both are correct. Now, C1 changes to, what is the step? C1 plus C2 plus C3 means add the 3 columns. That will, you will get 5x plus 4. Agree? 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4. Then write the second and third same, 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4. Understand, students? After 3 or 4 problems, you will find easy this chapter. First listen. Watch the video 2 or 3 times. After that, you write the answers. Not in a hurry mood, write, copy all this in your notebook. First, watch the video. Then only you can do by yourself. Now, 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, say the step. Which property we apply here? If there is any common factor, you can take the common factor outside. 5x plus 4 is the common factor from the first column. That changes to 1, 1, 1. Our aim is to make any row or any column 1, 1, 1. That is our aim. Now, 2x, x plus 4, 2x. Agree? 2x, 2x, x plus 4. Only take 5x plus 4 from the first column, you will get 1, 1, 1. Now it is easy for you. What is the step? Our aim is to make this one 0 and this one 0. For that, the step is always same. R2 changes to R2 minus R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus R1. Okay. Now, 1, 2x, 2x. No change in the first row. But R2 changes to R2 minus R1. Do by 1 minus 1, 0. X plus 4 minus 2x. Check that. X plus 4 minus 2x means 4 minus x. Agree? 2x minus 2x, 0. Then 1 minus 1, 0. 2x minus 2x, 0. X plus 4 minus 2x is 4 minus x. Minus x, 4 means 4 minus x. 5x plus 4 is always outside. Not to forget to write that. 5x plus 4 into this determinant. Say the next step. 5x plus 4 into 1 into its minor. Isn't it? 1 into its minor. What are the elements? 4 minus x is 0, 0, 4 minus x. 4 minus x, 0, 0, 4 minus x. Therefore, the answer changes to 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x the whole square. Okay? Write 2 or 3 times. Then only you can understand. Okay? Okay, students. God bless you. Study well.